Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can use the build mode in Heartopia, okay? Now the build mode is basically the core housing system where you place furniture, walls, floors, decor, and structural places. It works on a grid with rotation, elevation, and snapping tools. And it's very important, guys, to keep in mind that you must, go through a certain point in the story. It's not actually too far, but you have to come to a point where you have this, resident request ready, and you're gonna be able to basically complete this request, and you're gonna be asked to plant some crops, and after that you're gonna be basically set that you can start building your house. Okay, so it's very important that you get there. So as you can see, I'm inside my home right now, or inside my plot, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna basically click on this little icon with the house. As you can see in here, this is the build icon, okay, the solo build. You're gonna have different, build modes as you progress in the story, but yeah, this is like the basic one. Now you're gonna be basically, having this little thing in here, this little mode, where you're gonna be with this tablet, and you're gonna be able to rotate and to place different things. Okay, so as you can see in here, if I click, for example, on flooring, or if I click on here, what I can do is I can start rotating stuff. Okay, so this is something that you can do. For example, let's say that you wanna maybe remove this one here. What I can do is I can click on this one, so I can change the color maybe, so I can dye it, but you need to have like a specific key for this. As you can see, you need to have a dye, and you need to have unlocked a specific thing for it. Or you can basically like, waste it, or just, delete it. And you can do many different things more. You can also, for example, just rotate. So if I, for example, want to rotate this bed, I can just, or move it somewhere else, I can just place it here, or here, or here. Or I can click on this little icon to kind of rotate it if it's not good place. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just gonna place it in here instead. And I can also dye it and change the color, as you can see. And I can even change the different parts, as you can see. Okay, so pretty much this is what you can do. Okay, like you can rotate, you can change, you can delete, and all of that stuff. If you want to build something specific, besides what you already have in your home, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to use the workbench. Okay, so let's just go out of the build mode. Okay, the build mode is basically used for rotating and for placing. But if you want to build something, we're gonna go in here, and now we can start building our stuff. Okay, so this is something that you can do as well. Okay, guys. So yep, that's pretty much it. And remember that, after you progress in the story, you're gonna be unlocking different build modes. So, these are gonna let you place or do different stuff, and to have like a more complete home and all of that. But this is like the basic one. Okay. So yep, thank you so much.